In this video, we will look at some of the best motorcycle dash cam on AliExpress. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5. Kocam Wi-Fi Motorcycle Dash Cam. The Kocam Wi-Fi Motorcycle Dash Cam offers robust features designed for motorcyclists seeking reliable video recording capabilities. Here are its key specifications. Dual camera setup. Front and rear cameras both offer 150 degrees wide-angle views at full HD 1080p resolution. Wi-Fi connectivity. Built-in Wi-Fi module with easy setup. Wi-Fi password 12345678 allows for wireless video transfer and settings adjustment via the Kocam 2 app. GPS integration. Built-in GPS provides accurate location and speed data, enhancing ride analysis and security. The Kocam Wi-Fi Motorcycle Dash Cam stands out for its comprehensive features tailored to motorcycle use, including durable construction, waterproof design, and advanced functionalities like GPS logging and dual camera recording. It's an ideal choice for motorcyclists prioritizing safety and video documentation on their rides. Specifications. Sensor type, 1/3 inches CMOS. Battery life, auto on off with engine. Screen, 3.0-inch LCD, 16:9 ratio. Number 4. Jansite Motorcycle DVR Dash Cam. The Jansite Motorcycle DVR Dash Cam offers advanced features tailored for motorcycle enthusiasts seeking reliable video recording and connectivity options. Versatile connectivity. Supports both wired and wireless Android Auto, accommodating a wide range of smartphone models for safe and smart driving. Dual camera setup. Front and rear cameras capture detailed video simultaneously, enhancing safety and recording accuracy. Weatherproof construction. Ideal for rainforest crossings and road riding, offering reliable performance under varying weather conditions. The Jansite Motorcycle DVR Dash Cam stands out with its dual lens capability, advanced night vision, and robust connectivity features like wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. It's a versatile choice for motorcycle riders looking to enhance safety, monitor road conditions, and integrate smart devices seamlessly into their riding experience. Specifications. Screen. IPS screen display. Wireless connectivity. Supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto for intelligent smartphone integration while driving. Number 3. Navifly Navigation GPS Screen. The Navifly 2024 Motorcycle Navigation GPS Screen offers a robust solution for motorcyclists seeking advanced navigation and connectivity features. Anti-theft and rainproof. The detachable design provides added security, while the IPX7 waterproof level ensures durability in various weather conditions. Enhanced connectivity. With wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, riders can enjoy smart and safe smartphone integration without the need for a mobile phone bracket. Superior usability. Anti-glare and adjustable angle features enhance the usability of the GPS screen, ensuring clear visibility and comfortable viewing. The Navifly 2024 Motorcycle Navigation GPS Screen is an ideal choice for motorcyclists seeking a reliable, feature-rich navigation solution. With its advanced connectivity. Number 2. Evkey Motorcycle CarPlay Navigation Monitor. The Evkey 7-inch Motorcycle CarPlay Navigation Monitor delivers advanced features for motorcycle riders seeking seamless navigation and connectivity. Comprehensive connectivity. Offers wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and screen mirroring, providing versatile smartphone integration. Robust design. The IP67 dust-proof rating and detachable anti-theft design ensure the device is durable and secure. User-friendly interface. Supports multiple languages and provides a clear, high-resolution display for easy navigation. Enhanced usability. Dual Bluetooth functionality allows for hands-free calls while using CarPlay, enhancing safety and convenience. The Evkey 7-inch Motorcycle CarPlay Navigation Monitor is an excellent choice for motorcyclists looking for a reliable, feature-rich navigation system. With its comprehensive connectivity options, robust design, and user-friendly interface, it offers exceptional performance and convenience for any rider. Specifications. Display. 7.0-inch capacitive touchscreen with 1280 by 480 resolution. Wireless connectivity. Supports wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and AirPlay for screen mirroring. Number 1. GreenYi Android Auto DVR Monitor. The GreenYi Motorcycle CarPlay waterproof 1080p 5-inch Wi-Fi wireless Android Auto DVR monitor dash cam GPS navigation TPMS is designed for motorcyclists seeking a high-performance, feature-rich device. Hands-free operation. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto allow for voice commands via Google Voice or Siri, enhancing safety and convenience while riding. Enhanced audio experience. Dual Bluetooth 5.0 technology ensures clear audio for music and calls. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you like this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like. And if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.